It's morning time. Good morning, everyone. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I'm ready for breakfast. It's breakfast time. I like bread and butter. Can I have a glass of milk, please? The food is yummy. Thank you. Getting ready for school. I wear my uniform. I put on my shoes. My bag is ready. Let's go to school. Hello, teacher. I sit with my friend. I read a book. I draw a picture. Back at home, I do my homework. I help my mom. I play with my toys. That's how my day ends. Good night, everyone. Thank you. Hey kids, if you want to improve your English, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.